Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to May's edition of the Bville Buzz. Our summer programs are starting to bloom and we know they will get the whole family outside having fun. Check them out at the Bville Park's website and register in person at the Park District offices at 1000 West Wood Street. Be sure to join us on Saturday, May 21st for our first Park and Play event at Diorio Park and participate in tie-dyeing and nature activities, and you can even decorate your own kite and fly it. A full schedule of activities at your neighborhood parks can be found at bvilleparks.org/parkandplay. Get a taste of our group fitness classes with Fitness Day Mayo, Thursday, May 5th. Join us for our regular scheduled Thursday class at 10:15 a.m. and then celebrate Cinco de Mayo with a fitness twist. Along with a free Zumba Gold class, a Mexican fiesta at noon featuring yummy treats from Los Buenos Dias, and a fiesta-themed classes throughout the day. Ready for a fun summer adult adventure? Then don't miss out on our overnight trip to Door County and Shipshewana Brown Bag this June and July. Registration is now underway for those 40 and older. For more information on these fantastic trips, please visit our website or our summer program guide. Summer camp season is upon us, so don't forget to register by Friday, May 6th to save $10 on each full camp session. Over at White Pines Golf Club, we have Callaway Fitting Day, Mother's Day, and Family Golf Night coming up this month. Get fit like a tour pro with our Callaway Fitting Day from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday, May 7th. Our custom fitting is among the most important aspects of improving your game, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Register on the White Pines website. Celebrate Mother's Day with White Pines. All females golf free on Sunday, May 8th. There is an 18-hole maximum and tee time registration is required. It's fun for the whole family. Join us for a relaxed round of golf at the first of the monthly White Pines Family Golf Nights on Sunday, May 15th. There will be a special $3 meal that includes a hot dog, chips, and a fountain drink. All ages and experience are welcomed. It's never too early to think about your Memorial Day plans. Come march with us. If you're interested in joining as we walk and ride in the Wooddale Memorial Day Parade, let us know by filling out the form on our website, bvilleparks.org/Memorial Day. After the parade, come cool off at our water park and splash pad on opening day, Monday, May 30th. Pool passes are on sale right now. For pricing and more info, check out bvilleparks.org/waterpark. Speaking of our water park, we are hiring. Not only would you work in a fun, cool environment, but you get to make good money and lifelong friends. Visit bvilleparks.org/join our team to see a list of all open positions and to apply. That's all the time we have today. Thanks for watching the Bville Buzz. Stay connected by signing up for our newsletter and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media at Bville Parks. See you next month.